Adding new listings to your sales channels is exciting, but making sure they're properly managed in Ordoro is key to keeping your inventory accurate and orders running smoothly. Follow these steps to get everything set up correctly. When you create a new listing in your sales channel, you'll want to ensure that product is properly set up in Ordoro before managing inventory. After creating your listing, go to Ordoro and import your products by clicking the Sync button. Once the sync is complete, you can locate your newly created products by sorting using the Date Created, Newest option in the Products tab. To confirm the sync has finished, check the Activity menu under Sync Logs. After the product is imported, update key inventory details. Enter the physical on-hand quantity, assign a warehouse location, and set a low stock threshold to help track when reordering is needed. On the right-hand side of the product details page, update additional fields such as shipping dimensions, weight, cost, UPC, and customs information. Some of these fields may be pre-filled from your sales channel, but you can make adjustments as needed. Keeping this data accurate ensures proper shipping calculations and compliance with international shipping regulations. Next, assign the suppliers you'll use for reordering or drop shipping. This allows you to create purchase orders directly from Ordoro when restocking is needed. Adjust your sales channel sync settings if required. Enable or disable inventory write-back and modify the inventory sync write-back quantities to control how stock levels are displayed on your sales channel. Apply any product tags for better organization and filtering within Ordoro. Finally, if this product is part of a bundle or kit, convert it into a kit or back-ordered item to properly manage component inventory. Double-check all details to ensure accuracy. Once these steps are completed, the product is fully set up in Ordoro and ready for inventory management and order fulfillment. With everything in place, you'll have full visibility and control over your stock, ensuring seamless operations across all sales channels.